Hello, I'm Auger with Auger Auger, a family-run law firm proudly serving Rock Hill and the state of South Carolina for over 30 years. If you've been involved in a rear-end accident in Rock Hill, you've come to the right place. In South Carolina, the driver who strikes the vehicle in front is typically judged to be at fault, as they are required to maintain a safe following distance. However, there are steps that the driver in front should take to further protect themselves from being rear-ended. For example, driving without brake lights, suddenly stopping without a reason, or recklessly changing lanes, all of which can contribute to the accident. This is important since South Carolina follows a modified comparative negligence rule, which impacts the compensation you can receive if you are partially at fault. If you're found to be more than 50% at fault, you cannot recover any monetary damages in South Carolina. If you're found to be less than 51% at fault, you may still recover damages, though your compensation will be reduced by your percentage of fault. This rule makes it especially important for rear-ended drivers to take steps that demonstrate they were driving responsibly. For instance, avoid engaging in behaviors like suddenly cutting in front of other vehicles or brake checking, as these actions could assign you a portion of the blame. To minimize the chance of being found at fault in a rear-end collision, consider the following actions. 1. Maintain functional brake lights. Ensure that all brake lights are operational, as malfunctioning lights can make it difficult for drivers behind you to know when you are stopping. 2. Signal intentions clearly. Use your turn signals well in advance of lane changes or turns. This not only protects you, but it also shows that you are driving predictably, which helps in establishing that the rear driver was at fault. 3. Avoid sudden stops. If possible, gradually reduce speed when slowing down or stopping. Abrupt stops without reason can shift some blame to you, so try to avoid these when possible. Number 4, document your position and actions. If you have a dash cam, it can be a valuable tool in proving that you were driving safely at the time of the collision. Additionally, if there are witnesses, gather their contact information, as their statements can help clarify your actions leading up to the accident. At Auger Auger, we thoroughly investigate all aspects of rear-end collisions. We will gather evidence, including police reports and eyewitness testimonials, to build a case that clearly shows you are not at fault. This can be instrumental in maximizing your compensation and protecting you from unjust blame. Rear-end collisions often cause injuries like whiplash, traumatic brain injuries, and spinal disc injuries, which can lead to significant medical expenses, lost wages, and other financial burdens. We negotiate assertively with insurance companies to ensure you receive compensation that covers all of your damages, including non-economic losses like pain and suffering. In South Carolina, the statute of limitations for personal injury lawsuits is generally 3 years from the date of the accident. Taking quick action helps preserve evidence and strengthens your case. The sooner you contact us, the better we can help protect your rights and work towards securing your compensation. With our A&A zero fee guarantee, you don't pay anything unless we win your case. This ensures that you have access to high-quality legal representation without upfront cost or hidden fees. If your loved one has been injured in a rear-end collision in Rock Hill or anywhere else in South Carolina, contact Auger Auger today for a free consultation. With over 3 decades of experience, we're dedicated to helping you secure the compensation you deserve.